Pay attention to your breath right now and notice how deep are you naturally breathing. If you compare your own breath with the breath of a newborn, you will realize that actually we don't breathe fully, we don't breathe deeply. It is noticed that the part of our lungs, we only breathe into the middle section most of the times. Why does this happen? Have you ever wondered? Right from the time that we are born, friends, there are so many traumas that humans experience. In fact, the very birthing process itself is traumatic. And the way that we defend ourselves, our defense mechanism, is what William Reich, the psychologist, termed armoring. We really hold our breath. We stiffen our body to really save ourselves from that pain. Now, does this help? No. We really hold this energy of this trauma, this pain within our energy system. The nature of energy is to flow. The nature of breath is to flow. But when we hold it, all this trauma is also unresolved in our energy system. And hence, by the time that you become an adult, your breathing itself is restricted. Unconsciously, we are fearing if we breathe fully, we are going to trigger all of that trauma. This beautiful breathing technique, which is the gift of Mahavatar Babaji. This technique is called rebirthing breathwork, and this was channeled, this is the work of Leonard Orr, who has brought this gift to the world. This beautiful rebirthing breathwork technique helps us to breathe in a particular way. Usually this is done in the presence of a therapist or a facilitator who's trained in this, so that we can actually consciously bring up through the breath all these traumas and we can release this. We do a 2-day workshop. This workshop is called Sacred Breath, where we do 4 to 6 sessions of deep breathing, where we are actually bringing up and releasing a lot of these traumas, like the birth trauma, the conception trauma, like the unconscious death urge, and many other kinds of traumas. There is also a 6-day version Dr. Newton, Dr. Lakshmi do, and that is so beautiful, where we are actually breathing not only just in this plain way, but with the different elements. So there is breathing in water. In the bathtub, we go into it and we breathe. With the help of a facilitator, you breathe with fire, with the earth element, and with the air element. There is beautiful transformation on the other side of these workshops waiting for you.